The Bank of England cut its key interest rate by 0.25% on Thursday and downplayed the latest budget impact on future policy. Despite big spending increases in last week's UK budget, the BOE signalled that the budget is not a game changer for future rate cuts. The bank is now widely expected to keep rates on hold in December but accelerate the pace of cuts from February onwards. Nobody was surprised by the BOE's decision. Instead, everyone wanted to know what the bank made of the latest budget. Investors have assumed that big spending increases will reduce the scope of the BOE's rate-cutting cycle. Take a glance at the bank's new forecasts and it's tempting to conclude that the bank agrees. But what would be the wrong conclusion to reach? There's a big caveat to the projections. The bank hasn't accounted for the market reaction to the latest budget in new forecasts. The numbers are based on market rates averaged out over several days up until 29th of October. The day before the budget was announced, markets are now pricing rates at about 40 basis points higher this time next year. And this is more than in the numbers used by these latest forecasts. In other words, if the models were run again today, the upward revisions to growth and inflation forecasts would be more muted. In fact, away from the forecast, the analysis of the budget looks much more nuanced. There's still plenty of discussions about the uncertainty of how the budget will affect the economy, and the bank also emphasized that fiscal policy will become tighter beyond next year. But the overreaching message from the bank is that while the budget will have some impact, it is just one of a number of factors affecting the inflation outlook right now. In short, the bank is refusing to be drawn on where interest rates are likely to go next.
Inflation has been close to our 2% target for more than half a year now. And today we have been able to cut bank rate again by 0.25 percentage points to 4.75%. The best and most sustainable contribution that monetary policy can make to growth and prosperity is to ensure low and stable inflation.